Defence stocks seem to be gearing up for another run-up as the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, on resuming charge as the Defence Minister, has taken his first decision regarding the defence sector. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi, Batra, and in this video I will tell you what is coming up in next for the entire defence sector, what is Modi 3.0's agenda as far as defence is concerned, and what will be the key focus on stocks of brokerage houses as far as the defence names are concerned. Well, Rajnath Singh has taken his first decision as the Defence Minister under Modi 3.0, and he's now set a target to generate military exports worth 50,000 crore rupees on an annual basis, and has now vowed to fast-track initiatives under Make in India for defence production as well. Remember, defence exports had already touched a record high of 21,083 crores in the financial year 2024. It was historic. Now, Defence Minister has said that their target is to raise this to an export of over 50,000 crore rupees worth of defence equipments over the next 3 to 4 years by FY29. In the coming weeks, the minister will also be chairing and reviewing meetings for major defence production initiatives and flagship schemes designed to promote indigenous research and development. The minister also has said that one of his key priority areas will be to equip the armed forces with state-of-the-art weapons and platforms to ensure that they are ready to face every challenge. What are some of the news reports saying? They're saying that several major military exports to nations like Philippines, to Vietnam, to Armenia, they were already in the pipeline, and these could be inked in the coming months as well. So keep an eye. This is what some of the news reports are already indicating. The Defence Ministry is now planning to set up a new Defence Export Promotion Agency that will focus on the arms sales abroad. And in the recent past, India has already exported 155 million artillery guns, also BrahMos missiles, multi-barrel rocket launchers, and a range of ammunition to friendly foreign nations. What has Defence Minister Rajnath Singh really said? I will quote, "Our aim will be to further strengthen the security apparatus of the country with focus on achieving self-reliance in defence manufacturing. Armed forces, modernization, and the welfare of the soldiers, both serving and retired, will continue to be our main focus," unquote. This is what the Defence Minister has said after assuming charge as the Defence Minister under Modi 3.0, the first decision which has come, and this clearly indicates that the government is serious about domestic production of defence equipments and also exports now, and to increase the exports to 50,000 crore rupees. That is the first target that this government has set under Modi 3.0 for the defence sector. Looking at this, what are top brokerage houses really saying? Research by Nomura already highlights a significant opportunity in India's defence sector, which has estimated a $138 billion pipeline between FY24 and FY32, that is over the next 6 to 7 years. Motilal Oswal AMC has just recently on June 13th introduced India's first index fund investing in defence stocks as well. The Nifty India Defence Index that will include 15 companies enrolled in manufacturing and servicing of defence projects, reflecting their market performance as well. Over the past 1 year, if you look at the defence index listed on the stock exchanges, the index has achieved a compounded annual growth rate or CAGR return of 177% and 89.5% over the last 3 years as of May 31st of 2024. Now, beyond this kind of a performance, we do know that most of the stocks within the defence space have had a stellar show. Many have turned multi-baggers. But then again, there is this fear among investors as to whether this is the right time to start investing after already a big run-up has happened. So one, I've already indicated that Motilal Oswal has launched a defense index fund, which could be a passive way of investing, lesser risk of being concentrated in a few stocks. But here, by investing a small amount, you get a diverse portfolio of 15 stocks that the index fund is tracking. Apart from this, on the top brokerage houses radar is India's poster boy of defense, HAL or Hindustan Aeronautics, which has again got a buy call from Jefferies and a price target of 5,725 rupees per share. That still indicates a 10 to 12% upside potential due to the company's focus on indigenization and also on exports. What has Jefferies said? Right now, the stock is hovering around 5,200 levels, but Jefferies believes that over 5,700 levels could be seen in the near term. They do see that HAL will continue to clock in double-digit growth for the next 3 to 5 years as sentiment around defense, indigenization and exports remains upbeat. And therefore, they believe that HAL is in a sweet spot as the business has high technology entry barriers, and this is what the brokerage has said in its recent report as well. So defense space is going to be a clear focus of the Modi 3.0 Sarkar as well. Already they are stepping up the pedal and focusing on how to raise the exports within the defense space. So this space is going to be an important one to watch under Modi 3.0 Sarkar as well. With that, viewers, we wrap up this special video, but do let us know in the comment section, how did you find the information in this video? In case you're interested in more such videos, do let us know that as well. Until then, many thanks for tuning in.
Day 8 of NEET protest as students fight for justice. Anger continues to mount over the alleged rank inflation in the 2024 NEET exam. The Delhi High Court has